Hello everyone, this is our first poem of English class 12th NCRT and the book name is Flamingo and the first poem name is My Mother at 66 which was written by Kamla Das. So let's start our poem. तो देखते हैं हम पोम के अंदर क्या है। पोम के जो पोइट हैं वो हैं कमला दास जी। आपको पोइट और कोचीन एयरपोर्ट के बीच की कहानी इस पोम में पढ़नी है कि पोइट जैसे अपनी मदर से दूर हो रही है वैसे वैसे वो अपनी कोचिंग एयरपोर्ट जाते हुए अपना जो जो उनका सफ़र है वो डिस्कस करती है इस पोएम के अंदर। सो फर्स्टली हमें ऑथर के बारे में ही जान लेना चाहिए। कमला दास। कमला दास वॉज बॉर्न इन मालाबार 1934 केरला के अंदर। शी इज़ रिकॉग्नाइज्ड एज वन ऑफ द इंडियाज़ foremost poets. हर वर्क्स आर नॉन फॉर देयर ओरिजिनलिटी। उनके जो वर्क है उनके जो काम है वो जाने जाते हैं उनकी ओरिजिनलिटी से, उनकी वर्सिलिटी से और उनके इंडिजिनियस फ्लेवर से, उनके सॉइल के। Kamala Das has published many novels and short stories in English and Malayalam's under the name Madhvi Kuti. इनकी जो पब्लिश्ड हुई है बहुत सारी नॉवेल्स और शॉर्ट स्टोरीज़ वो इंग्लिश में और मलयालम में हुई हैं। और सम ऑफ हर वर्क्स इन इंग्लिश इंक्लूड द नॉवल अल्फ़ाबेट ऑफ लस्ट 1977, a collection of short stories Padmavati, The Harlot and Other Stories 1992, in addition to 5 books of poetry. She is a sensitive writer who captures the complex subtleties of human relationships in lyrical idiom. My Mother at 66 is an example of her creatures and her mind. तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Once the poetess is going to Cochin airport in the car with her mother, who is besides her on the last Friday morning in the month of September. On the last Friday morning in the month of September is the main point of the poem, because in the exams the examiner obviously gives that question that what period of time the poet is going to Cochin airport. So your answer is that on the last Friday morning in the month of September. Poet is her mother and feels that her mother has become old age and yellow pale face wrinkles and corpse. Corpse means like a dead body. Open mouth of her mother. The poetess compares her mother nature with late moon of winter, like calm and cool. When the car passes from the forest, poetess sees from the windows of the car to the young trees, because they have lot of attraction, liveliness and zeal. जो पॉइंट होती है वो फील करती है द यंग ट्रीज आर स्प्रिंटिंग. स्प्रिंटिंग मीन्स रनिंग. वेन एवर द कार इज passing through the forest, then you will see that the trees are running away, like that scene was happened with the poet, and her experience shared in this poem with the car, because the wind is blowing. Yes, wind is blowing, so the trees are sprinting. When the car passes from the village, the poetess sees from the window of car happy children who are spilling out from their homes behind the car. Spilling out means come out from the home behind the car, because the children's was very happy at that time to see the car. The poet feels that to see the married children about her childhood. In this poem, we will study about the age difference, that his mother having old age, and it also gives us emotional scene like mother losing to her old age. On that time, if she becomes soft, then his mother also becomes soft. It is very emotional scene. So she becomes much strong and see her mother. She told to her mother, "See you soon, Amma." Smile and smile at her mother and enter in the airport. This is your poem. आपकी जो पोम है ये फिनिश होती है अब, और इसके जो पोइटेस है कमला दास, इन्होंने अपने एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर करा है इसके अंदर कि कैसे वो अपनी मम्मा को लूज़ करती है और देखती है कि मैं कोचिंग एयरपोर्ट से अगर जा रही हूँ तो मैं क्या पता आगे मिल भी पाऊँगी या नहीं, ये उसका फियर रहता है। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। अगर आपको ये पसंद आती है तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर ऑल्सो। Thank you.